quick comparison between a student who scores somewhere around band 5.56, how Alpha can help you improve from band 6 to band 7 and beyond, all right? Speaking part 1 in 2 different ways. We give short answers, flat answers. Hi guys, Sagar here from Alfa Education, and today's video we are going to do a quick comparison between a student who scores somewhere around band 5.56 and a fluent speaker who gets band 7 to 8. So we are going to analyze both the cases and see how Alpha can help you improve from band 6 to band 7 and beyond, all right? So without any delay, let's pick a question from our platform, alfaielts.com, and I will do speaking part 1 in 2 different ways. One as a very typical student who gives short answers, flat answers, and one as a fluent, confident speaker who gives detailed answers. And we will also see how our AI scoring can help you uplift your speaking from band 6 to band 7 and beyond. Let's get going. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that you can see what's going on. There we go. Let's see. This is obviously the platform, Alfa IELTS. Let me put my own screen down here somewhere. And then what I want you to understand is, so as we start speaking, we will have to do something called as a, let me just sort this one out first. All right, so we're going to go to speaking part 1. There we go. So let me choose a random topic. So animal, money, A's, television program, neighborhood, neighbors, future, jewelry, swimming. All right, so let's pick something age. All right, so sounds a bit awkward.
Are you happy to be the age you are now?
Yes, I am happy to be my age because my age now is 22 and I am very young and happy. So let's move on to the second question. I'm just giving a very simple, typical answer.
When you were a child, did you think a lot about your future?
When I was a young child, I did not think about my future too much because at that age, my brain is not very developed. And also, I don't think too much about my future. I spend too much time playing games with my friends and enjoy my time with friends and also in my school. All right, so that was the second question that we did. Let's move on to the third question.
Do you think you have changed as you have got older?
Yes, I think I changed too much when I grow older because when I was young, I was very playful and I used to play a lot of games with my friends. I spend very good time in my school also, and I do a lot of homework, and my parents also love me too much. But when I grow up, there is a lot of responsibility coming to me, and I have to go to university. I have to go do my studies. It is also very hard. So yes, many things change when I grow up. So that was the third question that we did. Let's move on to the fourth question.
What will be different about your life in the future?
In the future, when I finish my university, I plan to find a very good work and also plan to find a very good job so that I can live happily and make good income from my job also. This is very important because in the future, I want to be very happy and travel many countries when I have time. All right, guys, so there we go. We did 4 different questions that was under the same topic. So I'm going to submit my answer. So it's going to take a few seconds to get submitted. So because all your audio files, 4 different answers are being merged together as one single audio file. Now, the best part with Alpha is you're not just going to get a band score, but you will also be able to understand how you did in terms of fluency and coherence, in terms of lexical resources, grammar, and pronunciation. This is very important for you to make improvements. So if you want, you can always listen to your voice like this. Yes, I am happy to be my age because my age So that is the first benefit you get. You can always listen to your own voice. And then once you click on generate AI score, it takes a little bit of time to generate the score because your speech has to be analyzed based on your fluency, based on your coherence, based on your vocabulary, your grammar, and also your pronunciation. So our AI at Alpha gets to work, and then it comes back with two things. One is a band range where you get to see where do you stand in terms of IELTS band score. So 5 to 6, 6 to 7, or whatever. And the other thing is it gives you feedback on your performance. How well did you do in terms of those four IELTS parameters? Now, as expected, I've got a band range of 5 to 6 because it was a very straightforward, simple answer that we produced during this test. So let's see what does it say about the four parameters of IELTS. So fluency and coherence, the candidate speaks at a moderate pace with some hesitations, repetitions. Ideas are generally connected, but linking words are sparse and sometimes used inappropriately. Sentence structures are simple and so on. All right, the most of the errors have been highlighted. Repetition of too much. I did not think about my future too much. I did not too much about my future. So again, you're repeating the too much too many times. And then incomplete or run-on sentences. So that again reduces some points. The connectors are there, the sentence fragments. So all the mistakes are there. All the suggestions are there as well. Lexical resources, how else do you do in terms of vocabulary, repeated use of simple words like happy, good, very. So you could have done much better in these terms. And then you go to grammar. So again, you'll see the errors are there, the corrections are suggested. It's a very detailed feedback that you get. And this gives you a clear understanding of why you got 5 to 6 and what you need to do to improve. So, because if you fix your mistakes, then you could definitely get a much better score. This is something you guys need to remember. With Alpha IELTS, you're not just getting a band score, but we are giving you an explanation of why you got that score, what are the mistakes you made, why you lost those points, and what can be done to improve your score. So this is absolutely vital in your learning journey. So now let's try to do the same question and try to see if we can enhance the answer and get to a much better score. So let's get going. Let me restart this.
Are you happy to be you are now?
Well, currently I'm 41, and I would say I'm pretty happy to be of my age. I've learned a lot since I was 20, especially because after that, your brain really develops into a mature brain, I would say, and then you start absorbing things and learning new things. So I am into Alpha PT and IELTS at the moment. It's a great experience for me. I get to teach young children and people throughout the world about English language and how they can improve their English language. And being 41 is a good age, I would say, because you're fit enough to travel the world, go to different places, but at the same time, you're mature enough to understand your responsibilities. All right, if you notice, the answer was pretty long and elaborative. So let's see, let's move on to the
When you were
next
a
question.
child, did you think a lot about your future?
When I was young, I would say I was rather busy playing with my friends and having quality time with my family because those days were really stress free. And literally, all I did was have fun. I loved cricket. So I used to play a lot of cricket, spend countless hours on that cricket ground, and also participated in many tournaments representing my school and even my district. So cricket was a great time pass for me, and it also helped me understand a lot about the importance of teamwork and how people should gel together to come out on the victorious side of things. So my childhood days were really amazing. So that many people would say is not exactly related or not a flat answer. But remember, guys, I've been telling you in IELTS, it's not just about flat answers, but it's also about explaining why not, diving in the depth so that you get to talk more and show off your language skills.
Do you think you have changed as you have got older?
Well, it's quite obvious that people mature with age, and the same thing has happened with me as well. When I was young, I was fearless. I was a fearless competitor on a ground, especially while playing cricket tournaments, and I was quite aggressive as well. But as I matured and grew older, I have learned to discipline myself. I have learned to remain composed and calm during tough hours. And these are the kind of skills and life skills that you develop with time and as you grow up. So, growing up is a journey that most of the people enjoy, in fact, and you get to learn new things every single day. So, this is again a very elaborated answer, as you can see. So, let's see the last one.
What will be different about your life in the future?
Well, the first thing first, I would love to keep traveling and explore more places, visit more countries, and meet new people and make new friends. That's one of the most important part of my life. I have always considered traveling around the world as one of the best things that has ever happened to me. And I would love to continue doing so even in the future days. And in the days ahead, obviously, I would love to retire when I'm up somewhere around 60, spend good quality time with family, with my children, and enjoy my elderly age as well. All right, so a bit stuck in the last sentence, but anyways, those are pretty long and fluent answers. So let's see how we are evaluated by our AI. Now, remember, guys, again, like let me repeat, with Alpha IELTS, you don't just get a band score or band range, you also get the reason why. This helps you understand the mistakes you've made, and this also helps you to make improvements rather quickly. Because of that, if you're looking to improve your English language skills, especially spoken English, Alpha IELTS is a great tool for you. Hands on, because this thing works perfectly even on your cell phone. And this thing works perfectly even on your laptop or desktop. So you can keep practicing, getting feedbacks, and then moving on to the next chapter. There we go. As expected, our scores have has improved towards band 7. And it's going to give you again comments and feedbacks that what mistakes you made and how could you improve. Break long sentences into shorter, clearer ones. Yes, if you noticed, my sentences were very long and I lost track of the sentence at times. Second, incorporate a wide range of discourse markers. So adding more discourse markers would help me to get better score. Words like therefore, however, for example, for instance, and so forth. Lexical resources, let's have a look. So there is good use, but limited use of idiomatic language or informal expressions. So if I use more idiomatic languages, I would have had a better score. Grammatical range and accuracy, again, there is comprehensive feedback. Some article uses errors were there, awkward prepositional phrases were there. So odd mistakes here and there. So pronunciation, let's see, occasional mispronunciation, plural form of crickets should be cricket. So again, there are a few words in which I did not do well, but the majority of them were pretty good. So in this way, guys, what happens is you're not just getting a band range for you to evaluate yourself, but you're also getting a list of mistakes that you have made. And then you can make improvements to push your score towards that desired score that you have. I hope that you guys found this video useful. And if you want to keep practicing speaking, do what I just did. 5 to 6, 6 to 7, you keep making improvements, and then you will get to the destination that you really want to be. So without any delay, start practicing on Alpha IELTS, and I'll catch up with you guys very soon in another video.